Hey, what's going on guys, Poke here and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this new PlayStation 4 console. This one here is the Days of Play limited edition. You can see over here on the top right, this one comes with 1TB hard drive. And then on the bottom here, it does say that this one is the CUH-2215B model. Over here, we can see what the console looks like, as well as the controller. Sony PS4. So let's go ahead and take a look at the side. Here's the left side of the box. We get the Sony PS4 limited edition, Days of Play. We get the triangle, circle, X, square, the model, and of course the 1TB. Taking a look at the right side, we get very similar over here, but it does say what's included here. So we have the PlayStation 4 console, DualShock 4 wireless controller, mono headset, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable, printed material. So that's what's included in the package here. Here we get the console as well as the controller. The console is actually on a stand, but it does state over here that vertical stand sold separately. So this console bundle does not come with the stand. Taking a look at the back, we can see that we get the PlayStation 4 limited edition, Sony right there, the best place to play, limited edition PlayStation 4 system. And looking over here, it does basically say which games these are. So games shown, Marvel Spider-Man, we get Days Gone, God of War, The Last of Us Part 2. So of course we get it right there. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the top. Now looking over here on the left side, we do have Sony, the model number, so CUH-2215B. Over here we get the PS4 limited edition, 1TB Days of Play. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So let's go ahead and cut the seal open, just like that. And once we open that, we can go ahead and slide this PS4 box right out. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. This is basically what the box looks like inside of that other box. So we get Sony PS4 right there. Here's a quick look. So let's go ahead and get this open. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up just like this. Okay, so we get all this stuff. Let's go ahead and actually take them out and put them out here. There we go. We can just pull this out to reveal the console. Here we have the console. Let's go ahead and put that there. Now the cardboard thing did fall off from the console, but that's okay. All right, so this is everything in the box. So let's go ahead and put this box away. Here's the first thing we got. So this one here is the power cable. Let's go ahead and put that over here. Here we have a HDMI cable. Let's go ahead and take this out. Here we have it. This is the USB cable to go ahead and charge the DualShock 4 controller. Let's go ahead and take that out. There we have it. Here we have the earbud, so we can go ahead and take a look at it. There we go. Here we have the quick start guide. And finally, here we have the controller. So let's go ahead and get this out. And here is the DualShock 4 controller, Days of Play 2019. We have this very nice gray finish. Let's go ahead and actually turn it on. You get the light bar right there, as you guys can see. There we go. Here's where we're gonna go ahead and charge it. Got our controls right here, the buttons, the touchpad. Overall, guys, it's actually very nice controller. So let's go ahead and put this aside. And here we have the Days of Play 2019 PlayStation console. So this is the top. As you guys can see, we do get the triangle, circle, X, and square, the PlayStation logo right there. Now, this part here is matte finish, and it seems like it's brushed kind of look. I don't know if you guys can tell for that triangle, circle, X, and square. It's actually very nice. As you guys can see, there we go, closer look at that shiny part right there. Now, taking a look at the front of this console, as you guys can see, we do have Sony right there. We have PS4, got 2 USB ports right there, the disc slot, power button, as well as the eject. Now, if you look closely, you can see that the top part right here is actually gray, where the bottom here is black. So it is definitely different. So this one here feels like the regular Slim. Now, I did notice something, example right there. If you look, that mine does have some imperfections there on the right side. And then also on the left side right there. So not sure how that happened, but I did look through the video and it was like that when I just opened it from that sleeve. Now, taking a look at the back, as you guys can see, we do have the power port. We got the PlayStation camera right there. This one is the HDMI as well as the internet. And then this is where we have the 1 terabyte hard drive. So this actually would slide off and you can go ahead and swap the hard drive if you wish. Here's the bottom of the Days of Play 2019 PS4 Slim right here. So I did go ahead and bring one of my PS4s. As you guys can see, this is the regular one. This one actually came with a game. It was Spider-Man. I actually did an unboxing on this. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll have a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you want to. But yeah, so this is the regular PS4 and this one is the Days of Play 2019. So if I go ahead and lift this up, you can kind of see the difference where the top on this one does have that beautiful gray color. And then this one here is, you can see it's basically very similar, the bottom part, to the one that I have, as you guys can see. And here's a size comparison between the PlayStation 4 Pro as well as the PlayStation 4. So you can see that the Pro is much larger versus the regular PlayStation 4. And this one is the 500 million limited edition. So if you guys haven't seen it, I also did an unboxing on that. I'll have a link in the description as well. I thought I'll also show you guys the controllers. So this one came with the regular PS4 right there. This one, of course, with the Days of Play 2019. And then this is the one that came with the 500 million limited edition. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.